Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to simplify simple examples using the laws of exponents. So let us look at an example here. And in this example, we want to simplify this particular problem using the laws of exponents. And the problem is x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 8. X to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 8. So we will follow these steps to be able to simplify this particular expression. Step number 1. We want to recall the laws of exponents which we can apply to this particular example. So we know that if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, we can write it as follows, isn't it? The numerator part of the exponent we can write as a to the power of m. The denominator part of the exponent, since we have a to the power of n, when we bring it up into the numerator, this changes to a negative number. The exponent changes to a negative number like a to the power of negative n. Since the bases are the same, we can write the base once. When we combine the powers, we can combine it as m minus n. We're going to apply this concept, we're going to apply this law of exponents to this given problem. The given problem is x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 8. So therefore, we write the numerator part as is, x to the power of 3, and the denominator we have x to the power of 8. We can bring it up into the numerator and then express it as a negative exponent, as x to the power of negative 8. Since the bases are the same, we write the base once and then we combine the powers. 3 minus 8. So we can write this as x to the power of negative 5. So normally we do not express our answer as a negative power. We can also express the same thing as 1 over x to the power of positive 5. So therefore, whenever we have a negative exponent in the numerator, we can write it as a positive exponent by bringing it down to the denominator like this, and therefore 1 over x to the power of 5. This is exactly the same as x to the power of negative 5. 1 over x to the power of 5 is where we want to leave it, and therefore that is our answer. That's how we want to use the laws of exponents to simplify these types of problems. Let's look at another example. Let us say if we can apply these concepts, the laws of exponents, to simplify this next example. In this example, let's say we want to simplify 7 to the power of 4 divided by 7 to the power of 2. Okay, so in here we'll write down these different steps. In the numerator we have, the first thing we want to apply the rule where it says if the bases are the same, we can write it out in this manner, isn't it? 7 to the power of 4 times 7 to the power of negative 2, because in the denominator we have 7 to the power of 2, and when we bring it up into the numerator, the positive power changes to a negative power, and therefore we've expressed it as a negative power. Since the bases are the same, we can write the base once and then we can combine the powers. 4 minus 2, therefore 7 to the power of 4 minus 2 is going to be equal to 2. We know that 7 to the power of 2, the base term is 7 and the exponential term is 2, therefore the number of times the base term needs to be repeated is 2 times, therefore 7 times 7 is 49, and therefore that is where we want to leave it. So when we simplify 7 to the power of 4 divided by 7 to the power of 2 using the laws of exponent, it simplifies to the number 49. This is the way we want to use the laws of exponents to simplify any of these types of problems given to us. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples and then see how we can solve them using the laws of exponents.